Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert checkbox in Excel sheet. So let's begin. To do this, we need to have the developer tab. By default, we don't have the developer tab in Excel. So we need to add it manually. To add, I go to File tab, then Options, then click Customize Ribbon. You see the developer is unchecked right now. You need to check it. I'm checking it out and press OK, and you see the developer tab is added. From the developer area, I'll select Insert button. From the form control, I'll click on the checkbox. Once checkbox is selected, simply click on the field. The checkbox is created. Now you can move this checkbox where you want. So I'm moving this checkbox in this area, and also you can move this checkbox. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Thank you very much.